Scanning system and network resources. Here you can see I have a advanced IP scanner setup file. Install it using double click on it. Click on Yes. Click on Install. Click on Next. I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on Next. Now click on Next and install it. Click on Finish and launch it. Now define network range information like 1 to 24. It will scan for live host on the network. You can see device informations, open ports information, web server is running in Win Server 1. Metasploit table has a FTP. If FTP has anonymous login, you can right click on it and click on Connect. You can see I can access FTP. So scanning is over and we gathered this information of LAN devices. Thank you for watching this video.